Fraud costs the insurance industry billions each year. And yet, most fraud detection still starts with messy data and ends with missed patterns. At SimplAI, we built the Provider Fraud Risk Agent, an end-to-end fraud detection workflow that explains every decision, step by step. First, it cleans and validates the claims file, fixing headers, checking required fields, and flagging duplicates. Then, it groups claims by provider and spots suspicious patterns, like excessive billing ratios, weekend anomalies, or duplicate submissions. It assigns every provider a risk level and remembers it, building a living fraud memory that learns over time. When new claims arrive, it reanalyzes them, cross-checking against fraud memory and flagging duplicates across files. And when you need deeper insight, it generates a full fraud report for any provider, complete with evidence and narrative. The result: no black box, no mystery. Just explainable, intelligent fraud detection that works.